At the end of the day, it is just an absolute great product. Doesn't make a mess. Very easy to use. And at the end of the day, it speaks for itself. The thing just shines. Hey guys, this is Logsdon, coming from Premier Street Rods out of Arizona. We're here at the 2017 SEMA show. In the E-Stop booth behind me you see our 1957 Chevy pickup. So a little about the truck. What you see behind me, surprisingly, is a 100% brand new vehicle. So saying that, there's not one part of this vehicle that is actually an original used piece. Our shop out of Arizona, what we do is we actually push and sell a lot of truck parts. Some of those parts that we really push hard on is the actual sheet metal side of it, where we actually assemble and manufacture the cab bodies themselves. So this truck behind me, this is one of our kits. Is a brand new package, new cab, new fenders, new hood. I mean, everything from front to back, top to bottom. Chassis, everything is all 100%. So as you can basically grasp out of this thing, this is a catalog built truck to a higher level. A lot of the mods that we did to it, we tried to keep the truck itself looking as it should from a 1957, saying that we didn't want to alter it so much that it didn't look like a 57 pickup at the end of the day. So a lot of the mods that we done were tastefully done. Drip rails, we hate the way the drip rails look, but we don't want to delete them 100%, so we ended up peaking the drip rails, radius and some door edges, obviously filling holes, shaving bumpers, tucking them in a little bit tighter, custom inner fender wells. I mean, the bed itself, there's thousands of man hours behind that thing. So between that thing, that is a one-piece molded piece of art now. Extended steps, radius corners, tub the inside. There's so much metal work on this truck that actually has physically been done that by just glancing and looking at it, you can't really pick it apart. Paint that we use on this thing, we went with House of Colors on the whole entire thing. So House of Colors stepped up. The white that you see is what they call their Snow White Pearl. Laid down very beautifully. It really makes this truck shine and pop. The red that really accents that white is called their Blue Blood Red. We use that obviously around the windows themselves, in the interior, and of course in the engine bay. All right, at the end of the day, the shine is the key when it comes to a paint job. Wizards, these guys, they make a fantastic product. Being me, myself, as a builder, I'm not physically the actual painter and buffer, but from the words and working with my painters and buffers, for using the product for the first time on this vehicle, they had nothing but solid things to say. You know, one of my guys, Ryan, he's been doing this many years and been using the different products from PPG and everyone else, and his comment to me is, where has this been all my life?